Hi there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner, and today we're covering the changelog topics for the last 2 months, October 4th through November 29th, 2021. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with these updates. For iCalendars, we have added a new setting to allow you to set a specific time zone for an iCalendar. To see this, go to Setup, iCalendars, create a new iCalendar or edit an existing one. Under Calendar Settings, place a check mark in front of Use My Local Time Zone. This should resolve the issue of daylight savings time being off 1 hour. Next, please go to Website Tools, Client Portal, Settings. Under the Features heading, a new setting was added to show or hide the upcoming meetings block on the home page of the client portal. We have added a new SMS feature called Office Autoresponder. This allows you to instantly reply back to an incoming SMS with a predefined company message. To get started, go to Setup, SMS, Features. Place a check mark in front of Enable, then choose your time zone, enter your auto reply message, and then select the times and days you wish to mark as out of office. Click into the start time, then drag your mouse down until you reach the end time for the out of office reply. To remove the information, click on the red Delete button for the selected times. At this time, merge tags are not enabled, and this is a company-wide setting, so replies will be sent to your client via the phone number they sent a message to. Next, go to the SMS Hub on the left-hand navigation menu and click on My Messages or All Messages. While looking at a thread of an SMS message, we have added Use a Template option to the Actions menu within the message, which allows you to use a pre-made SMS template to respond. We have also added a template drop-down to the Compose SMS page as well. SMS templates can be created by going to Setup, SMS, Add Template. Also for SMS, it is now possible to manually send scheduled SMS messages from the Scheduled SMS Report page under Reports, Scheduled SMS, and also from the Scheduled SMS tab on the Event Report pages. For the Equipment Manager, we have added the ability to remove automatically assigned equipment based on packages and add-ons. This can be done in 2 separate ways. 1. Navigate to an event and go to the Resources tab. Under Equipment, look for the Remove Automatically Assigned Equipment at the bottom of the page. This can also be done via a booking helper. Under Setup, Application, Booking Helpers, and then the Equipment tab. Look for assigned equipment linked to add-ons and packages, and enable that by putting a check mark in front of Remove All. Also under Booking Helpers, we have added a setting to allow you to hide a booking helper if it was previously run for an event. Look for this setting under the General tab under Display Options. We have added a setting to allow planning-only clients the ability to access financial details in the client portal. This will need to be enabled on a per-event basis by going to the event, then the Planning tab. Look for the Add Financial Access button within the Planning-Only Access section. Due to recent PayPal server issues, we've added code to detect if PayPal is having issues when a payment is made. In the event of an API failure, an email will be sent to your company email address notifying you a payment was made, however the API failed. It will also advise your company to log in to your PayPal account to find the transaction and manually add it to the event in DJ Event Planner. Next, under Setup, Data Cleaner, SMS Messages section, we have added a new data cleaner for deleting old SMS messages prior to a selected date. Now on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. For discounts within an event financial, since the discount value is calculated on the server side as a negative value, by entering a negative value, it was being converted to a positive value, causing a double negative effect. We have added a restriction to the discount field, preventing users from entering a negative sign or a dash in the discount amount field. Planning-only clients will now have the ability to see event details such as dates, times, event description, venue information, services, and staffing. They will not be able to see financials, related files, saved documents, or be able to request changes. As mentioned earlier, you can give your planning-only clients the ability to see financials on a per-event basis. On the Planning tab, in the Print Event Planning Documents accordion, the drop-down has been changed to a selectable list of planning documents, giving you the option to print only those forms you would like. This change was made due to suggestions from our users that arose from removing the Manage Event Planning button. Scheduled SMS messages will no longer be marked as new in the main hub. This is to prevent an incorrect number being shown as new messages in the top navigation icon, as the messages are considered sent items. Due to a recent issue that was discovered on Android devices, we have changed the table filter script that we use to enable search as you type filtering. It is now active on the event list page. If no reported bugs or major issues arise, we will look at adding it to multiple other places within the software. On the venue pages under Main Menu, Venues, custom fields entered into the Internet section are now clickable links if the content contains HTTP. And we have made a number of UI and code changes throughout the software, including the special songs edit page, planning forms logic load times, iCalendar spec standards, and updates to the venue contact manager pages. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, October 4th to November 29th, 2021. Please note any continued changes and improvements to our beta features. As always, you can find the latest updates to our changelog by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can also view the changelog in full window view by clicking on View the Changelog option.